Well, I get all of my supplies from Detail King. I love them. I love all the products I use. Did a little research as far as the Jade products and found nothing but good and positive things. So I'm excited to use that, and that's why I'm here.
It had been a long time coming. I wanted to offer ceramic coating. I did plenty of research, found out Jade Ceramic Coating is just the way to go.
Well, I came to the Jade training because I looked up a couple other programs that were doing ceramic coating, and after calling a few different places, I kind of think my heart decided to go with Jade. And plus my dog's name is Jade.
We decided to come to the Jade certification class today to expand what we can offer to customers and to build our customer client base.
I feel like having a certification makes your customers feel more comfortable having you work on their car. And ceramic coating has been something I've been like very curious about. And so when I saw the opportunity to come and get certified here, you know, is an easy decision.
I wanted to expand my knowledge on ceramic coatings, not just detailing alone, but specifically taking coatings and correction and fine-tuning it to the next level.
Well, we were here last July, my wife and I, and we certified in the 3-day training. We are an authorized licensee for Detail King, and we've been doing detailing since then. And ceramic coating is not the future, it's here now, and we're getting more and more people interested in it. And so my desires were to come get trained and certified in ceramic coating.
I decided to come to the class because I wanted to advance my work, my knowledge in the detail field. I want to learn how to put ceramic coating on cars.
I decided to come to today's class because a lot of different reasons, but mainly because detailing, I've learned over the years that it's all about progression. And just remaining teachable. So I heard about the ceramic coating, and it's just like another step up from what I already do. So just why not learn about it and provide another service for the customers.
To get the knowledge of doing ceramic coatings, I took the class last year, getting me introduced into the detailing world, and now I just want to advance those teachings and go to the next level.
Class has been great. I've had a lot of fun. I've been detailing and doing the paint correction for a long time, but I feel like I can always learn new things, and everyone's been really professional and good experience so far.
Fantastic. Teachers are great. Everyone's easy to get along with. It's any questions you have, there's an answer immediately.
So far I like it a lot. I've learned a lot from the staff here, very nice, very professional, and I've also met a couple new friends here that I've learned some tips from them too that could help me with my venture.
Class has been amazing so far. I've learned so much stuff already, and we're about halfway through. It's been great. All the staff's very professional. They teach excellent.
It's been great. You know, I did the 2-day certification in the past, and I thought that class was great. It really taught me a lot about, one big thing I was trying to learn more about was paint correction, and doing this class today has taught me even more about that, working with more polishers, different sizes, that kind of thing, and trying to, you know, more so perfect that work.
Informative beyond belief. I had no idea how much knowledge and information and know-how and skill that, you know, Detail King, you know, offers.
Excellent, informational, hands-on, a lot of knowledge, and very, very good.
Great class, giving out good knowledge. It's hands-on. You don't just see it, you actually get to physically do it. It's definitely a good class, good group of guys.
The class has been excellent. Just even the machines that Detail King has provided and that they have to offer, just completely amazing and make the job a lot easier. So I would just highly recommend that for anyone that asked.
Oh, very good. We got a lot more detailed, especially using the machines. We did a little bit in the class before, but this is more in depth. So it was really good to get user-friendly and even more user-friendly with the machine. So everything was great, good teachers, everything was good.
Yeah, I would definitely refer anyone who wants to learn, get after detailing, paint correction, any of this stuff, this is the place to do it.
Oh, absolutely. Most definitely. If you need hands-on training and you need to learn ceramic coating, this is the one-stop shop to do it.
Absolutely. I think a lot of people that's in this industry can learn a lot from here. Basically, I plan on coming here again too. So when I do plan to visit again, I will bring a friend of mine that can learn from this business too.
Absolutely. Everybody should come check it out if you're into detailing at all. You can learn so much stuff from this class.
Yeah, absolutely. If you're looking to learn about ceramic coatings, you know, Jade is a high quality coating. So just that alone, I mean, I would recommend coming and learning that. And then here, you know, they know so much about the preparation and the application. I would absolutely recommend it.
If you guys are trying to learn and learn the best detailing skills, ceramic coating, you need to check out this course. Not just this one. Don't you guys have a 3-day course? I'll be at that one too.
Yes, I sure would.
Yes, it's a good class. You're going to definitely get some knowledge from this class.
Yes, I would definitely refer people to come to this class, even just for detailing in general. It's just definitely a very helpful tool.
Definitely, I've been here. This is my second time here, so I'm definitely going to tell people to keep follow me and come through you guys.